Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Git and GitHub by pushing codes and doing the most basic and important things with it. So to get started, I am going to be using Cmder. Cmder is this area where you can use that. There's other things you can use, but this is the one that I'm using today. And first, I have a folder with 2 files inside. I want to use those files and push them. So first I have to put the address of that folder. So I have to open this and go on to this folder here. And then here I'll Control C, then go back to Cmder and do cd space Control V. So now you see that main origin there. We will worry about that later. So first of all, I'm going to do git init, which will be really good because it tracks, because now Git is monitoring that folder. So if I go into GitHub, you'll see this here. This indicates that Git is monitoring this, and we can do things with it. And also there's lots of things inside it, but you're not really supposed to touch that. So I'm going to leave that there and go back to Cmder. So now that Git init is done, I will do git status, which is like this. It shows you the status, and it says on branch master, no commits yet, untracked files. Now that's not good. You see it's dark red, my 2 files in it, and nothing added to commit because untracked files. So first of all, I'll have to do git add space dot. You don't need to do this, but you can also, if you have if you only have some, normally you can do git add, then write the name of the file that you want to add. But I'm going to do git add space dot, which just adds all files that are untracked. So now, if I do git status, it will show 2 green things. So now that all my files are done, and I've showed you git status, I'm going to show you git log. Git log will show you this. Fatal, your current branch master doesn't have any comments yet. So that means I have to make a comment, and that is done by, well, first of all, I'm going to show you a trick that you can do if it gets really messy, like your whole screen. You just do Control L, and it all goes back, and you can see if you scroll up, it's all there, but now you have a fresh area. It's not messy at all. So now to make the comment, the thing you do is git comment -m then in quotations you do anything. In the quotations is where you write what you want. So I'm gonna comment, these are simple So now, I'll see, master, these are simple comments. So now if I do git status, that'll show on branch master, nothing to comment, working tree clean. But if I do git log, and working tree clean is a good thing, but now if I do git log, then that will show the comments, and it says these are simple one-line code, that's a comment. And now that I made a comment, master origin is white. For everything, like every new file, you do a comment which does this. And comments are really good and really important. So now I am going to do something. So I'll go into my folder, and this will be changed in Git. I wrote this because in Git this will be changed, but I want to add to it. So I'll remove the full stop, and that is a change. I won't add to it, I'll just change it in any way. I removed the full stop, that's what I did. So now save, and now if I go into cmd and do git status, it says this file is not tracked. So again, because if you do any change to it, you have to track it again and do another comment. You have to add it again. Git add space dot. That will add it again, and I have to do another comment, which I'll do git comment -m quotations. I'll write how about I made a change to the file. Okay, now that is commented. If I do git log, it will show us our comments, and git status, it will show us on branch master, nothing to comment, working tree clean. Just remember, you have to comment everything. So now I'll do control this again, just to make it clean. And so after cleaning that, now I'll move on to the next part, which is, now that that's all clean, I'll do git remote -v. So that, if it shows nothing, that means this folder has no connection to Git, and it has no connection. That means I can't push or pull or anything with GitHub. So now, after that, I'll do git. Now, after doing that, I'll have to do git add remote. Sorry, it's git remote add origin. Then before I do that, I have to go into my GitHub to copy the address of that. So I'll just go into that right now. To make a repository in your GitHub, is very simple. So when you log in, you'll be in the home area. You'll go click on your profile. You'll go down and you'll find your repositories. Then you'll see this, then go top right, click new. Then you make the repository. Name mine this. And public description, I don't need that. Then get that using, yeah, that's the name I want to name it. Then these don't need those. Press create, and that's how you create a repository right now. Okay, so now I'm in my GitHub. I'm in this over here. So now you see this code. This is the address. I'll have to copy that. Okay. So now, after doing that, I'll go back to my CM there and do Ctrl-V, then git remote -v again. It would show these. Okay, now that that is connected with that repository, I can push it to that repository. So to do that, I'll go with git, then push -u origin master. And now that if I do that, we have to wait a bit. And then it says done. So now I'll go into my Git, then go into these. Okay. Now it says these. It says the comment. It says there are 2 commits, 1 branch. And now that I've pushed, and because I pushed, these are here now, because I pushed them here. And now if I go into any of them I want, like GitHub.py, I can see it. Print, this is a simple code that will be pushed to Git. And now, alright, this is a simple, now I'll make a change to it. It'll be, this is a simple code. This simple code. And then, wait, no, first I have to press that. Then edit in place. This is a simple code that has been pushed to Git. Then I'll also write a second line, print this code will be pulled from Git. So I will commit changes, then I'll name it Git updated code, and then commit changes. So now if I go back to my Shimder, first I'll do Control L. Okay, so now that we did all that, so I will do this, which is, no, if right now we go back to this folder, we go in the same one, you'll see that there's no changes. That change is only in GitHub, and it is not here. And to fix that, we do the opposite of git push, git pull. So now we wait, and that is one file change, and that is good. So now, if we go back into that, we will see 2 lines. Because whatever you push to Git and change it in Git, you have to pull. You have to remember that. And I'll just one more time do git status just to check on everything. Yup, tree clean, up to date with origin master. Then git log. That shows us all the comments we've done today. Git updated code. That's a comment that we did in Git. So now that has 3 comments. Then if I go back, go back to that, and go back. It will say 2 comments, yeah, but then, yeah. So now that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.